Good morning, guys. Myself, Dr. Asif Ali Sabri, BMS, PGC in Emergency Medicine, PGDKK, working in emergency department from last 3 years. Currently working in Bhuman Hospital. Today we will discuss hypertension in 1 minute. Hypertension means high blood pressure. Hypertension is when the pressure in your blood vessel is too high. It means 140 by 90 mm of Hg or higher. It is common but can be serious if not treated. People with high blood pressure may not feel symptoms. The only way to know is to get your blood pressure checked. So what the thing that increase the risk of having high blood pressure include older age, being overweighted or obese, genetics, not being physically active, high salt diet, drinking alcohol too much. Now we will discuss the key fact about hypertension. So we will discuss some key facts. The study shows data of 2024 published on 25 September 2025. First fact is an estimated 1.4 billion adult aged 30 to 79 years worldwide had a hypertension in 2024. This represents 33 of the population in this age range. Two-thirds of the adult aged 30 to 79 years who have hypertension live in low and middle income countries. The third fact is an estimated 600 million adults with hypertension, 44% are unaware that they have the condition. Fourth fact, approximately 630 million adults with hypertension, 44% are diagnosed and treated. The fifth fact is hypertension. Approximately 320 million adults with hypertension, 23% have it under control. The sixth fact is hypertension is a major cause of premature death worldwide. And the last seventh fact is one of the most global target for the non-communicable disease is to reduce the prevalence of uncontrolled hypertension by 25% between 2010 to 25. Now we will discuss how to check or how to measure blood pressure and how it is diagnosed. The recommendation is from American Heart Association. Measuring blood pressure is the only way to know if a person has high blood pressure. For accurate diagnosis, take at least two readings, one, two or more separate occasions. Blood pressure is measured in a healthcare setting. A blood pressure cuff is wrapped around the upper arm. The cuff inflate and temporarily stop the blood flow in the brachial artery. Air is slowly released from the cuff. The blood pressure is then recorded and interpreted. Some digital method automate blood pressure monitor reading appear directly on the screen. And the manual method use a sphygmomanometer. Healthcare provide listen with the stethoscope. Croak-Toff sounds are used to determine BP. Understanding the BP numbers. Systolic blood pressure the upper number, diastolic blood pressure the lower number. When the heart is contract, it is called systolic blood pressure, and when heart is relaxed, it is called diastolic blood pressure. For example, 120 by 80, the 120 is systolic and 80 is diastolic. Now we will discuss blood pressure categories: normal, less than 120 or less than 80 diastolic, elevated 120 to 129 or less than 80. Hypertension pressure stage 1, systolic 130 to 139, diastolic 80 to 89. High blood pressure stage 2 140 or higher, diastolic 90 or higher. Hypertensive crisis higher than 80 and diastolic higher than 120. Hypertensive emergency higher than 180 or higher than 120. It's a classical categories of blood pressure in which include hypertension crisis, hypertensive emergency. Now we will discuss GNC categories or GNC guidelines. Same as we will discuss previous, normal is less than 120 or 180, pre-hypertension 120 to 139 or 80 to 89, stage 1 140 to 159, diastolic 90 to 99, stage 2 more than 160, more than or equal to 160, and diastolic more than or equal to 180. Now we will discuss some factor for exam, some key fact for exam for nursing NORCET or for AIPGT or NEET PGT. What is examples? GNC 7 released in 2003 introduced the term pre-hypertension, focused on blood pressure classification, classified into four categories: normal, pre-hypertension, stage 1, stage 2. GNC 7 is short BP classification. GNC 8 treat BP. GNC 8 2024 it's a treatment target. On our next lecture we will discuss The management of hypertension, in which include hypertension emergency, hypertension urgency, or hypertension crisis.